So you may be wondering, what is Cakeheads? What comes with a Cakeheads membership? Well, a couple of things. Number one, content. Help in the form of tutorials. We've got tutorials for beginners all the way through master cake artists on the website. We've got live video recordings of live sessions we've done with master cake artists from around the world. We've got some cookie videos, we've got some cake pop videos, we've got macaron videos. It doesn't matter if you are new at cake art or if you're advanced. There's so much to learn from. But another, and probably the most important part of a Cakeheads membership, is the group that you get invited into and become a part of. We like to call it the Cakeheads family. The magic of the group is how everybody comes together and supports each other. From cake decorating struggles to actual life struggles, the members are there sharing with each other celebrations and victories, answers to questions. It's a fun, supportive, amazing place for all of our members to hang out. You know, it can get kind of crazy trying to make cakes. But the cool thing about the group is that there's a place to go where there are lots of friends who are struggling with the same things as you and helping you work through those struggles. It's just really kind of a magical place to be in this journey of cake decorating, to have all these people there for the support that you know you need along the way. So that's Cakeheads. New tutorials are added to the site every month. New stuff is always being learned in the group, and we're having a lot of fun. So come join us. We'd love to have you as part of the Cakeheads family. We'd be honored to have you with us. See you soon.